Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, we're going to see how you can rename sheet and you can also duplicate sheet using AppScript. For this, click on extension, go to AppScript. First, we create a function. Okay, we are doing it for first we rename sheet. So we call this function, it's rename sheet. Name. Okay, so first we take a variable sheet spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet dot get sheet by name, and we are making for sheet 2. And sheet dot set name is okay, new sheet. I call this uname sheet. So if I run this, it should change. See, so this is how you can rename sheet. And if I want to duplicate, sheet name, okay, whatever you set, you have to define it here. You have to okay, so first we take a variable sheet app we call this ABC. Okay, we call this sheet 1. Okay, sheet 1 because we have data in sheet 1, so that's why we are taking this. Now sheet dot copy to spreadsheet app dot get spreadsheet dot setName, because we can directly do it. No? If I do it directly, we have created a copy of this sheet, but we can also set name anything, but I'm going to say version 2, and see, we have successfully created this. So this is how you can create duplicates and rename sheets. So thanks for watching this video.